Hey, what's up? This is Jerry Fetta, owner, founder, and CEO of Wealth Dynamics. So we're doing Sunday services today. And so I'm going to spend some time, a few minutes, talking about one of the services that we offer. So today, I want to talk about Hive. So Hive is something that we offer to our clients in order to help them reduce their taxes. It's a written strategy using the entirety of the tax code to legally and optimally reduce their taxes so they can keep more money, right? So who is Hive for? Hive is for somebody that's ready to invest in tax planning. A tax plan is not free, so you're gonna actually pay for a CPA to use their technology and use the tax code to look at what could I be doing to lower my taxes and then present to me a written plan. That's gonna cost me money to get the plan. Okay, then implementing the plan will also cost me money. So this really is an investment, and it's one of the first investments I'm gonna make outside of myself. Okay, I'm gonna spend money, I'm gonna invest money on lowering my taxes. So this is not for somebody that doesn't have a tax problem. If I'm getting, a refund every year, or I'm paying hardly anything, or if I'm making probably less than 6 figures a year in annual income, this might not be the right thing for me yet. Right? I wanna focus on maybe, paying off debt or building reserves and increasing my income first. I wanna first create a tax problem, if that makes sense. If I earn enough income, I create a tax problem, then I need a plan to reduce it, right? So when I'm at that point where I'm earning, probably 50, 70, 100,000 minimum, and I'm ready to start investing in a tax plan, and I see it as an investment, not an expense. Someone that sees tax planning as an expense is not ready yet for tax planning. It's an investment. Like, check it out. Let's say I pay $5,000 for a tax plan. Okay, and then it cost me another $5,000 to buy all the tools, products, and services to implement the tax plan. I've put $10,000 into this, right? But that tax plan is gonna save me, let's say, $2,000 a year for the rest of my life. I put in 10, I'm getting 2. That's a 20% annual return, guaranteed, with zero risk, right? I'm not putting it in a market. It doesn't depend on an economy. It's a reduction of my tax bill. Not only that, that $2,000 savings that I'm getting is a tax-free rate of return. I'm not gonna pay taxes on the $2,000. Okay, if I put 10 grand into something else, let's say an investment in it does pay me $2,000, I'm gonna pay taxes on that $2,000 because it's profit. But since this is a reduction of my tax, it's a tax-free rate of return. Okay, so I need to see that I'm making a 20% return, zero risk guaranteed. Okay, I can't do that with most other investments. I'm not gonna see 20% returns. I'm gonna see, 8s and 10s and 12s, and there's still risk and it's not guaranteed, right? So that's really what I'm looking at. So here's the process when a client signs up for Hive. So they sign up with us on Hive. They're gonna submit their tax returns to our team with Hive. Okay, Hive is going to take that return, they're gonna upload it into their artificial intelligence program, and the AI is actually going to take the entirety of the tax code, all the things that this person could be doing, compare it to what this person is doing, and then find all the missed opportunities. So not only will it find the missed opportunities, it's going to find the approximate tax savings, and it's also going to give a description of how to do that strategy. Each and every one of those things is going to come with a summary. Okay, in addition to that, Hive's program will take the savings that they estimate and show you what will this turn into if you invest this money that you've saved. At a 6 or an 8 or a 10 or a 12% return, what could this turn into for you? Right now, once you get the plan, you're gonna sit down with a CPA, with Hive, and they're gonna say, here's the ones that we should do. Here's everything we could do, but here's the list of what we should do, and they're gonna put that onto an actual packet and send that to you and send that to my team. My team will then work with you on implementation. We're gonna say, good, here's strategy number 1. It's gonna save you X amount on your taxes. Here's the cost to do it. This is the return on investment. Good decision, bad decision. If it's a good decision, let's do it. If it's not the right return on investment, let's skip it and do something else, right? But we're gonna walk you through the process of implementation. Okay, and the result is you're sheltering money from taxes, you're reducing your tax bill, you're putting more money that you're saving towards your sacred account, towards your investing, and you're building your financial future, and you're keeping more of what you produce. That's my favorite part. I love the idea that we're taking families, individuals, and entrepreneurs and helping them keep more of what they produce by means of a legal method called the tax code. The wealthy are already using it. Top corporations are already using it. Congress is already using it. You should too. So that's a little bit about Hive. I do want to just plug really quick. They're owned by Kevin O'Leary, Mr. Wonderful. You've probably seen him on TV here and there. So this is a partnership we've really enjoyed. And so if you're interested in lowering your taxes, reach out to us and learn more.